Hi everyone. In this video, you will see the answer to the interview question, which is what is the difference between where and having clauses in SQL? We all might have used these clauses and we know that these are used to filter the data based on specific conditions in SQL queries, but they actually have different purposes. Let's look at those. Where clause is used to filter rows from a table based on a specific condition or a set of conditions. It is primarily used in conjunction with select, update, and delete statements. And the where clause operates on individual rows, it's very important, and it is applied before any grouping or any kind of aggregation occurs. So it filters the rows that meet the specified condition or conditions, and it includes only those rows in the result set. Now let's see an example. In this example, the where clause filters the rows from the employees table where the salary column is greater than 50,000. Now let's see how having clause is different from this. Having clause is used to filter the results of a group by query based on a condition or set of conditions. It is applied after the grouping and aggregation operations have taken place, so the having clause operates on grouped data and it filters the groups based on the specified conditions. It is commonly used with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, etc. Now let's see an example. In this example, the having clause here, it filters the groups generated by the group by operation where the average salary is greater than 50,000. Let's recap it. So in conclusion, the where clause is used to filter individual rows before any grouping or aggregation, whereas the having clause is used to filter the grouped data after aggregation. I hope this clarifies the differences between where and having. Both are used to filter data, but they have different purpose and different context. All the best for your data science preparation. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.